at that. Take a break. Hip flexors.
Yeah, a little bit of belly stuff, huh? Well, he's trying to release the iliopsoas. I'm
Push
good with
this
that.
way.
Release those hip flexors. All right. I mean, a drop technique. Yeah, you got it.
There.
Yeah, yank that leg. Pull that head.
Thank you, sir.
You are.
That was actually really good. I think that guy did a good job. I've had people come in that much pain, and sometimes it hurts to get treated. And I tell you what, I've actually had people stand up and walk out of the clinic after that, just like this guy. I love it. He struts.
Wow.
Give it that strut.
Look at that.
Yep. Yep. You know what that is?
That's
That's a good
awesome.
doc. That's a good doc who did a good job.
No!